You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this originally Cameroonian, so from Cameroon, but he's also American, professional basketball player. If you want to learn more names from the NBA, stay tuned. He's with Philadelphia 76ers. Joel Embiid is how it's pronounced. Joel Embiid. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.